These the 5 verses of the beginning of the Quran. The revelation, the not beginning for now in the Quran, because it started with Surah Fatiha. But when the Quran was revealed, the first 5 verses were these. Iqra bismi rabbika alladhi khalaq, khalaq al-insana min alaq, Iqra wa rabbuka al-akram, alladhi allama bil qalam, allama al-insana ma lam ya'lam. And you can surprise it here, very, very, very important. What is the most common thing? What is the most emphasized on the first revelation? What is the most emphasized on the first revelation when Allah sent it to Prophet Muhammad in the cave of Hira? The first word Iqra is related to education. Read, recite, proclaim. Bismi rabbika alladhi khalaq, in the name of your Lord who created you. And the next verse is Iqra bismi rabbika alladhi khalaq, khalaqal insana min alaq. And now Allah talks about the creation of human being, which is made from alaq. And alaq is externally look like a clot, but it is in actually the meaning of alaq is look like a leech and act like a leech. And the initial stage of embryo is look like a leech and it's act like a leech because sucking the blood from the womb of the uterus from the mother to grow its nutrition. And alaq means is also mu'allaq. This is hung or suspend, hung in the wall, something hung in somewhere. And then next verse is khalaq al-insan ikra wa rabbukal akram alladhi allama bil qalam. And read, again Allah make the word of read, which is also related to knowledge, the education, to learn the knowledge. Ikra wa rabbukal akram, and your Lord read, and your Lord is most generous. Ikra wa rabbukal akram alladhi allama bil qalam. And Allah is now saying that He who teach with the pen, because how you learn it in the anywhere in the world, any school, madrasa, masjid, you need to do the two things: write and read, read and write, read and write. You only keep on reading, you cannot learn it. You must need to write. So you can look at this. All this first revelation is emphasizing on the knowledge, on the education, on learning the knowledge. And of course, the best of the learning knowledge is the knowledge of the Quran. So Allah said, Ikra wa rabbukal akram alladhi allama bil qalam. Read, and your Lord is most generous, who teach through the pen. Alladhi allama bil qalam. Allama insana ma lam ya'lam. He teach man which he knew not. So you can check now the ilm, the knowledge, read, recite, and teaching with the pen. And the word ikra repeated 2 times in these 5 verses. And ilm is repeated also. Alladhi allama bil qalam. Allama ilm. Bil qalam, the teach, the give the knowledge through the pen. Allama, teach the knowledge through the pen. And allama al-insana ma lam ya'lam, and teach man which he knew not. 3 times ilm in a different form appeared in these 5 verses, initial verses. So very important for us to learn the knowledge. How, like Islam meaning is to follow the commandments of Allah. And how I know the commandments of Allah? I need to learn it. Islam means is to avoid what Allah forbidden, the God forbidden. How I know what Allah forbidden? I need to learn about it. Everything you need to learn. How to do business, how to do cooking, how to do any act of work, you need to learn. How to do driving. So everything is a learning process. Everything you need to learn. If this Quran also need to learn also. And there is a effort and hardship for this to learn the Quran. And that is the most important knowledge we have. The Torah was important knowledge. The Injil, the Zabur was important knowledge. And the last Quran, this is the last book of Allah. Allah sent it. And through here we can know what God wants us to do. And how we can get success in this life and in the next life. And how we can save ourselves from hellfire and to make our way for paradise by the will of Allah. So what is this very important message for tonight? That the 5 verses which Allah sent to the Prophet Muhammad is all emphasized on the knowledge. Except the mentioning of the human being, creation, which is one part of these 5 verses. But if you can look Iqra, the first verse, Bismi rabbika alladhi khalaq, in the name of your Lord who created you. So creation and knowledge is part of the first 5 verses. اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق خلق الإنسان من علق اقرأ وربك الأكرم الذي علم بالقلم علم الإنسان ما لم يعلم. So what is emphasized there most is knowledge, the learning ability or education of Quran and education of everything. And then the other things mentioned in these 5 verses about the creation, خلق الإنسان, and also, of course, the mentioning the greatness of Allah, خلق بسم ربك الذي خلق, that Allah is the creator. اقرأ وربك الأكرم, and read وربك الأكرم, and your Lord is the most generous. ربك الأكرم, your Lord is the most generous. So this is very beautiful, these 5 verses of the Quran. If you can learn these 5 verses, it's very important for us to learn it, that why Allah choose these 5 verses to be revealed initially to Prophet Muhammad, because it is emphasizing about the creation, it's emphasizing about the generosity of Allah, it's emphasizing about the knowledge, and also it's about the creation of a human being. May Allah guide us, may Allah forgive us.